Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check whether memory integrity is running in Windows 11. Before we begin, let's briefly look at what memory integrity is. Memory integrity, also known as Hypervisor-Protected Code Integrity or HVCI, is a Windows security feature that uses virtualization-based security to protect the Windows kernel from malicious or unauthorized code. Rather than relying solely on the normal Windows kernel to verify code integrity, the verification is performed by the secure kernel running within the isolated secure environment. When a new kernel-mode driver is loaded, Windows requests the secure kernel to verify the driver's digital signature and ensure it has not been modified. The secure kernel validates the driver's code integrity by checking its signature and certificate chain. If the driver passes these checks, Windows allows it to load. If the verification fails because the driver is unsigned, tampered with, or otherwise untrusted, Windows blocks the driver from executing. Drivers are typically signed by both the hardware vendor and Microsoft. Hardware vendors such as Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA develop their drivers and digitally sign them using code signing certificates issued by Trusted Certificate Authorities, or CAs. This signature verifies the identity of the software publisher and helps ensure the driver has not been modified. The hardware vendor then submits the driver to Microsoft for a second signature through either the Windows Hardware Compatibility Program or the Attestation Signing Service. After Microsoft signs the driver, Windows recognizes it as a trusted kernel-mode driver and allows it to load. Memory integrity, also known as Hypervisor-Protected Code Integrity or HVCI, was available starting with the initial release of Windows 10 version 15.07. Memory integrity is available in the Home, Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions of Windows 10 and Windows 11. On clean installations of Windows 11, memory integrity is enabled by default when the device meets the required hardware, driver, and system compatibility requirements. Now, let's check whether the memory integrity is currently running on Windows 11. Open the Start menu and type System Information in the search box. Then, select Run as Administrator to open System Information with administrative privileges. If you're prompted by User Account Control, select Yes to allow System Information to run with administrative privileges. Once the System Information window appears, make sure System Summary is selected in the left pane. Then, in the right pane, scroll down and locate the entry labeled Virtualization-Based Security Services Running. If the value contains Hypervisor Enforced Code Integrity, it means memory integrity is currently running on your system. If the value does not contain Hypervisor Enforced Code Integrity, it means memory integrity is not currently running on your system. And that's it. We have successfully checked whether memory integrity is currently running in Windows 11 using System Information Tool. Using System Information Tool, you can quickly verify the memory integrity status without installing any third-party software. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.